So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Eric Mwenda and I am a digital marketer and consultant in marketing on internet. So today I'm going to teach you exactly what digital marketing is and what it is not, the scope and deliverables that you need to expect from various channels when you're doing digital marketing. So it's because I've realized there are so many myths and misconceptions that web developers and content creators out here are making online and channeling into your minds to believe that digital marketing is what they want you to believe it is. So there are at least 7 channels that you can use for digital marketing, and one of them is social media marketing or advertising. Another one is pay-per-click or using Google advertising. Then there is search engine optimization, that's number 3. Number 4, there is email marketing, and there is content marketing, there is affiliate marketing, and the last one is influencer marketing. So those are the 7 most effective digital marketing channels that you can use to attract customers into your offer and convert them into clients. So when they are out there, they are prospects. When they are on your offer, they are leads. When you convert them, they are customers. So get the difference. So when you're using these channels, there is also mistakes that most of you are doing because you don't have the right information. Okay, most of us in business, we lack what I call a marketing strategy. And when you don't have a marketing strategy, what happens is that you go in and you start using any channel on any goal because you don't also know how to set marketing goals. You could have a goal to get more brand awareness. You could have a goal to get more public relation. You could have a goal to convert more sales. You could have a goal to get more page likes on your social media pages. You could have a goal to publicize your website so that you get known by many people out there. And when you have all these goals, you need to know the right channel of out of the 7 that I've mentioned that you need to use to get into your market prospects and start getting them to take action. So number 1, I'll start with social media marketing, and that one includes Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Okay, I'll just use YouTube for now, and there is another one, maybe TikTok, Quora. There are so many, and LinkedIn maybe. So on social media, you can either use the organic way or you can use the paid traffic way. So the organic way, maybe I mean something like posting on groups and forums where your prospects are hanging out every day, every time. You follow Facebook groups, for instance, that you have noticed that people are asking things that you could solve. If you're selling maybe building materials, and you go on Facebook and search for building and construction groups, interior design groups, and see what area in construction, what area in building that people are suffering the most, and now you start providing relevant information and brand yourself as an expert in that area. So that one is a blend of social media marketing organically and content marketing, because now you're providing them with articles, posts, and maybe images. And I'm not saying memes, not memes, tafadhali. So understand that it's not memes, and it's relevant and valuable information that people can share and maybe follow you for that, and you start getting calls. People start believing that you're the expert in this particular topic, and they start branding in their mind. They start branding you as the expert in that field. So next is pay-per-click, and that's a channel that uses paid advertising on Google. And you need to start, maybe if you have a website. This works well with people that have a website, that you have a website and maybe it's new, you're selling things on an e-commerce website, or you have a personal branding website and you want to direct highly targeted prospects to your website. Maybe you have an offer, you have a discount, you have a coupon that you want to push. So you can use paid Google advertising, and this way now you pay for ads on Google, like you see them on blogs, maybe when you're browsing. You see ads all over the blogs and all that, and those are very effective, especially when you understand who your ideal customers are. Then the third one is search engine optimization. Again, if you want to rank on Google, on other search engines like Bing, Yahoo, organically without using paid adverts, you need to start understanding what your customers are searching, what they are looking for, and a good strategy to search that. I've shared that in one of my free ebooks that you need to download, by the way, if you don't have one. Or maybe you can message me, you can DM me anywhere on my social media platforms, and I'll send you the link to download the ebook. So search engine optimization is abbreviated as SEO, and maybe you've seen this with most of your web developers out there, because they want to sell you the service. And mark, you understand that if the web developer just is interested to sell you the service, you will not rank on first page of Google organically, because these guys are not understanding the consumer psychology that you of the people that you target. So you might rank there, but still the visitors that will come to your website, they will not take the right action that you wanted, because they've just used search engine on the scientific way. They've not used blended psychology, the consumer psychology on it. So you might rank on first page of Google, but still when people land on your website, they find that whatever information they were seeking is quite irrelevant. So you need to take keen of that, because you're targeting people, you're not targeting just the search engine itself. So again, number 4, we have email marketing. And email marketing now boils down to lead generation. If you have heard people saying about lead generation, you'll understand that email marketing is very effective for that. So if your goal is to get more leads, and by leads I mean people interested in your products, your services, into create an email and build an email list, that you build relationship, and you start nurturing. Maybe later they will take an action on your products. You might consider using email marketing. Number 5, content marketing, creating blogs and videos. That is very much applied by almost everyone. But the reason why people are not getting results on content creation is maybe because the content itself doesn't have call to actions. It doesn't have a compelling offer that you're pushing. So another one is affiliate marketing. Here now it's about referral business. So if you're working maybe on e-commerce websites, and maybe you have a business that needs referrals, that one works very well for you. Influencer marketing is the last one, and this one now you're using celebrities and public figures to push your product, to push your brand, to push whatever you're selling, unique selling proposition out there to the market. And it works very well when you're doing brand awareness and when you're seeking to do public relations. It doesn't work very well for sales. And if you want sales, the two most effective sources of traffic, the two most effective digital marketing channels are social media advertising, that is paid Facebook ads, and the PPC advertising, that is paid Google advertising. So if you want to learn more about digital marketing, follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, and maybe on Facebook. And also do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So with that, I believe you can now start getting the clarity on what digital marketing is and what it is not.